Good morning. Is my voice audible? Am I audible to you guys? Yes, sir, I hear you. Thank you, Mukherjee. I missed my other headphone at home. I'm using some other headphone. So that's why. Hope you are feeling better now. Yes, I'm a bit better now, sir. Only the throat irritation is a bit weird, but I can manage. So where do we settle today? 0.5% in green. And what about these biggies who came with results yesterday? Axis Bank, people were saying that very good results from Axis Bank. Stock will fire today, but it opens 2% down. This is how market will react like. Okay, we don't know on what basis it will be considered as good results or on what basis it will be considered as bad results. Probably Tata Motors, yeah, he is up 1%, Infi up half. Nice, all these stuffs are up. How about Hindalco doing? I think he has given opportunity yesterday. Yes, he is up 1%. I believe he will rock today. Let's see how it goes. Good morning, Ravi. Copper yesterday, I don't know how many of you have taken trade. Our level is 782. It has been posted in Telegram channel as well. Came till 781.65 and then rallied till 788. 2500 is the lot size of copper and 6 points means it will be nearly 15k. Forget about all the 6 points. If you could have got even 2 points, it would have been 5k. Today at beginning we should not rush. We are supposed to wait because we had a monster rally yesterday. I wouldn't say monster, it very a, a decent and big rally which gave a breakout above 200 simple moving average again. Now we need to see whether we are going to sustain above this 200 moving average or going to fall back again. So never rush. Please wait with patience and then take a call how to trade. have started. The biggest culprit is Axis Bank on back of its results. 2-3% down. People said that it will fire like anything. Yesterday I had even one of our member also asked me, "Sir, you haven't given any call on Axis Bank." I said, "Why should I give? We were already in multiple positions, so why should I give?" And he said me, "Sir, results are excellent and it will fire tomorrow." I said, "Let us see." Good morning, Abhi. I knew it is due to results, bro. I'm not new to markets. I was saying couple of members have got over excited and they have been saying that results were good and it will fire like anything today. Now, access loss is gain for ICICI Bank. So we could see ICICI Bank could be moving on the higher side. Don't rush if you are going to take Axis Bank. Wait for 1 or 2 days. Maybe he can come even till 7:25 to 7:30. So that time you can think of investing over there. In between, never do anything. Just stay silent and calm. Tamo is at 4 now. Look at the way how State Bank of India is moving. Even yesterday we have been speaking about uh, close above 495. It is now at 510. And there is no compromise for this drunkard Mr. McDowell's. He gives results during every weekend, most probably. McDowell's. The highlight is where you are picking. That is the highlight. If people would have picked at 860 yesterday afternoon, today they would be in 20,000 rupees profits, or even 25,000 by now. 870 is the high. I mean, yeah. If they picked at closing yesterday, now they would have been in 12,000 rupees profit. Good morning, Sriram. Nice to see new members joining. I think Sriram is new. Mukherjee is also new today. Good. We are slowly growing, I guess. Slowly, very slowly. Uh, Good morning, Sriram. Guys, like as usual, you may post if any queries. If you have, this is the first day of the series, so let's not rush to take positions. We will stay calm and take positions whenever we get an opportunity. Of course, opportunities will come time and again. We need not worry about it. Monday, Hdfc and Eminem finance results. Yes, I'm expecting good results from Hdfc this time. Eminem finance, if you closely observe the daily charts, even in the falling market, which we have seen recently, the stock has not cracked. It is in fact going up slowly, step by step. Having a bit hesitant feeling that suggested to book 17,500 call a bit earlier. That, that's not a big deal because we try to play it safe. All financials bullish it seems. result growth. Shriram Transport Finance. I stopped tracking Shriram Transport Finance long ago, so I will not be able to comment on that particular one. I'm holding Hdfc 1500 call. Can I add one more lot at 9 or better leave it? No, never average at a lower level, bro. That is a very bad and poor habit. We are unnecessarily increasing the losses over there, so never do averaging at lower levels. It's not for now, it's forever. Finally, the twins have started moving. HDFC and HDFC Bank both up nearly 1%. In fact, HDFC is more than 1.25% in green. My target for HDFC is 2500. What is yesterday's high? How about let me see whether we could get some short signal today based on my POF. No, it's not a short. A weird ask from my end may or may not happen. If Nifty sustains below 17,333, I'm saying about futures, then it can tank another 40-50 points. Members who are willing can short, but I normally don't short. I used to wait and take longs when I get opportunity. So I'm completely against it. Just a moment, I am posting some update for my premium members, and once I post, I will come back to you people. Give me a minute. Yeah. SBI didn't announce a result date yet. Kotak for Federal Bank on 6th. Can we get stop loss for Federal Bank, sir, as it rallies very good if results comes good even last time? Federal Bank usually moves very good when it comes to results, but if there is some disappointment, it will fall very badly also. So, and remember the lot size of Federal Bank is 10,000. Moreover, the result is on 6th. Now, it's hard time to take a position because this is the first day of May series. We have 4 full weeks. There is no holidays. Okay. So, maybe tomorrow and day after, because of time decay, I mean holidays, there will be time decay. Obviously the premium will get eroded a bit, so it's not a wise chance to take any position right now in Federal Bank. SBI, I think the results will be coming around the second week of May. That is the usual scenario how SBI declares results. It will be most probably on a Thursday in between market hours. They never hardly, I have seen once or twice SBI giving results after market hours, or else it will be only in between market hours. Most probably it will be on a Thursday, and the results will come around 12:30 and the press conference will be at 2:30. That's the usual timing of State Bank of India results. What are the resistance for Hdfc and ICICI Bank on higher side? ICICI Bank 777 is the immediate resistance. Once it crossed it, it will go to 808. I don't require charts for ICICI banks because those have been influenced in my blood, so I can give you levels upfront. Okay, so HDFC, I'm expecting good results from HDFC. In that case, 2500 is a easy possibility. uh, Yesterday you told McDowell can do BTST and what happened, sir? Not traded but following. See, McDowell's is not a BTST only for this week. It is a BTST during every week. Only the timing alone is the key. When to take the position. That is the, if you are taking at the timing as per my suggestion, Generally, I don't give suggestion in any of my free channels for McDowell's, because that's one of the masterpiece from my end, which delivers results every quarter. So I won't be giving the timing exactly. It has given results also, McDowell's. See what is the high today. I think it is 870 plus. Yeah, 871 is the high. Quick 10 points, 15 points shave off the moment it breaks 17,333. Uh, Holiday on 3rd May. Okay, let it be. One day holiday is nothing, not going to impact too much, right? So you want to say that I have said there is no holidays, we have four for complete weeks? Then in that case, I'm sorry. Um, we'll see on Monday. I don't know what you are saying about. I think it might be on Federal Bank. Your view on Asian Paints. Asian Paints already has rallied too much. Let me check the charts for you people and then provide an update accordingly. Asian Paints. $3,200 was my target, but it has been achieved yesterday itself. Let's see how far it can go from here. My default setup will tell you. Yes, it's trading above all the moving average, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 and 200, everything. So we can easily see 3,300 in Asian Paints. But the thing is, buying now could not be a wise idea. If there is a retracement towards 3,200, then we can go long. With a stop loss of 50 points, we can look for 3,300 again. So that might be a good idea. At this moment, it's not a wise idea to take a long, because it has already rallied. Couple of weeks back, people have asked me somewhere around 3,100, I guess, 3,050 or 3,100. At that time, I have suggested saying 3250 is a possibility. It has done 3250. So it's not wise to go and chase right now. Uh, Reliance and expectation of results. Uh, Prajwal, I don't know when Reliance results are scheduled. Um, Generally speaking, it will be during the last week, I mean, 1 week before expiry. But those fellows have not even given the date. I'm not sure whether it is today or not. But if it is today, from morning, the CNBC guys would have been speaking as if Reliance is the only stock which is participating in markets. But as of now, I haven't seen anything over there. So I'm not aware about the result date of Reliance. And moreover, Reliance is the most manipulated stock of Indian markets. Exactly 3 weeks before results, all kind of positive news will come, and the stock will obviously move higher. And during the time of results, if it is very good set of results, the next day there will be a gap up opening, and then there will be a serious sell off from there. So generally speaking, if you want to trade Reliance, don't trade on back of results, because that's the stock which can crack badly even after very good set of results. The most manipulated stock of Indian markets is Reliance. I am a bit okay, Sriram. I wouldn't say that I am completely all right. I am a bit okay, so that's not a big deal. I can manage. Abhi, you are completely wrong. Reliance results will come 1 week before the last week. We are in the last week now. You can go and backtrack if I am saying it wrong. Every time Reliance result will come during third week. That will be on a Friday after market hours. Reaction will be on Monday. So we are. If my guess is correct, I think Reliance is planning something big this time. Mukesh Ambani, Mr. Mukesh Ambani is not able to tolerate that Adani has overtaken him. Okay, so they are planning something big. Give all kind of positive news and make the stock surge. And the day when result comes, probably Reliance will be equal to Adani Group market capitalization, or maybe even a bit higher than that. That's my personal opinion, but not aware about it. But it could be true too. All these years, he was like a king at the top position. But now, in the last 1 quarter, he dropped from there. So, could be true, may or may not happen. That's the kind of stuff. But I can't say it crystal clear for everyone. 17,414 is the level which I am looking for in Nifty. Any close above this level, then the entire world will speak about 18,000 Nifty. Mark my words. But we are the first to say it in our opening view today itself. £20 fall, 24 points fall from 17,333. Remember, a couple of minutes before we have been suggesting it, right? If you are going short, you can do it. Since I personally don't do it, I have not done it. But if you have done it, you might be in at least 20 points profit as of now. $17,200 will be the right place to buy. Until then, there is no chasing, no drama, no behind anything. Maruti results are today. Little bit hesitant to take a long trade here, but charts look very good. Can surge up post results. Mm, let us see if any commodities gives us opportunity. Look at the slide, guys. I have told you it will easily give you 40 points. He has given us 40 points. 17,333 to 17,293. 290 now. It's a very quick and really good trade. Zinc looks good for me, but let's not rush. Yesterday we rushed and hit our stop loss. So let us allow this candle to complete so that we can get a confirmation signal and then take a trade. Let us see by 10 and then take a decision. Zinc looks good. Copper and aluminum, NG all down. Crude is up. Shit. What kind of move is this? When I added this, I was seeing at 107. 17,200 put. Look at the way he surged. 20 points, no time. $4,200 is the lot size for Coal India. Let me give one call to my numbers. Coal India. Good slide. He must go take support and then come. This is not the way he should move. That is the reason I was saying don't be in a hurry. Okay. Now just add on. Let me add one thing to my list. Bank Nifty 36. Nifty. Friends, if you have any queries, just keep posting. We'll try to answer as many as possible. Let me take a chance. Will give one call to my members and then come here. Then update you about the call. By Nifty. Nifty 17400 call. If we get around 7580, you can buy it. That's a call given to my members just now. Posted in Telegram as well. Sir, 17450 call is a too far strike price right now. Just now I have given 17400 call to take around 75 to 80. So at present situation, it is a too far call. Why I am saying it because 17414 becomes a hurdle for market to cross. We can see big move only when it crosses it. So that's the reason I'm suggesting it. Look at Axis Bank, see the fall 743. Our suggestion was it will take support somewhere around 725, 730. Have suggested it somewhere around 753, I guess, so 53 or 55. At that time, we have suggested don't do it. Wait with patience. Probably 725. Maybe it will come in a day or two, and then you can try think of initiating longs over there. Mm, oh, how many of you are keen to see the move on MC? He is an ultra legend. You will never see a pick like this in your lifetime, which delivers you every week. 7875, almost 874. Sorry. Any other questions from members? Please feel free to ask your queries. Can we check in shorter time frame where Nifty can take a support today? We will go as per our analysis, like what we do, my default setup, and then we will drill down into shorter time frame, maybe 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours time frame. See it. Actually, as per super trend, it has given a sell signal couple of days before, and now we are closely touching the super trend value again, which means if we trade over here for another one candle, maybe after this candle, next one candle, if my guess is correct, he will give a reversal signal, which means buy signal from there. So buy signal in the sense it will not give you a buy over here, it will drop. It will drop. This red line will turn as a turn in green color, and it will drop. Probably where it will drop, somewhere in between this particular area, this gap area, this particular where I am having the cursor right now. So if my guess is correct, we can take support around, what is the low here, 17217, approximately around 17200 to 217 odd levels. We could take support, and at that time your super trend will show you buy signal, and it will move on the higher side. Let's see whether my chart reading is working or not. We said zinc is a good buy, right? Let's calculate. Oh, chart setup changes again. It must have been a flat bottom green candle. Instead, it has formed a wick on both sides. So the setup goes null and void. Turns from 93 odd levels. Let's see if we get our levels. I believe we will get our levels. See, people want instant gains, I think so. They are not even able to wait for a couple of days. We have taken a position on Tech Mahindra a couple of days back. It's down. Every day people are asking what is the stop loss, what is the stop loss. So they are in intention to book losses very quickly. That is a very clear picture which I am seeing. I don't know why they are not able to hold on their pulse. Sometimes my response will be a little strong for these kind of people. Tata Steel has moved like a rocket. Just imagine what if this move had happened yesterday. Our 1240 call would have become 45, right? Anyways, it has given profits for us. Just see. Eminem autos are holding good. HDFC Bank, Endurance, Oberoi. Tata Motors has not reflected its entire ADR move. In ADR, it was up 2.5%, whereas here it has went only till 1.25%, not beyond that. I thought it would have been moving 2.5%, and our call will give us at least 30% returns. But unfortunately, it has not happened. Today's move is like something different, right? Generally speaking, what we used to see, in between these two things, there should be a bar formed and then it will go on the higher side. But today it has not happened. In between, nothing has formed. Everything is being formed outside. It's trading a bit different today. So let's not confuse ourselves. Only if our pattern suggests us to go long, then we will go long. Nifty may go till 17,120 to 150 and then return upside. Your comments, please. No, I am not willing to comment on some other members' research, bro. If it is your research that Nifty will go till 17,120, then that's fine. I'm not willing to interfere in your research and comment on it. That's not a fair deal. Even I don't like people commenting on my research. Wipro and ICICI actually moved a bit yesterday, bro. That is the reason I thought uh, it will not move the similar way how ADR move happened yesterday. But Tamo haven't moved like it is on the higher side yesterday. I think I'm missing something actually. Actually, Tata Motors moved yesterday last hour, right? Correct, correct. From 3.2, our position has came to 3.9 yesterday. Yeah, it has moved. I missed to notice the move. Then it's fine. So it is getting adjusted between yesterday's and today's thing. So nothing wrong in it. Copper. Copper, if this candle is continuing till 10:30, then we may take entry after 10:30. In my view, I'm expecting Nifty to take support around 17,200 and then climb back. Syed, Bajaj Fin views. Bajaj Fin, we have already told to buy around 6,600, bro. It has already moved 200 points from there. Yesterday itself, 6,800 it came, I guess. If you want, I can check the charts again for you. Bajaj Finance. Yes, the 2 hours chart. It is a perfect 1, 2, 3 for me over here. As long as this low holds, 6580 holds, he could climb by here again at least till the tune of 7,000. If you want the exact number, then it will be 7018. That's the number which I am looking for. If 6580 holds, this is on short term in the sense for a month. Okay, but my positional target for Bajaj Finance is 8050.5 or above 0.05. I'm saying a new all-time high in next 1 year time frame. People may not be aware of Bajaj Finance stock, how it performs. Generally speaking, it is a stock which gives you 20% decline every year, and it punches a new high after that 20% fall within next 1 year. Go backtrack the history if you want, or you may even see our YouTube video, whichever I have posted earlier. Definitely you will be able to know how you need to invest in Bajaj Finance. Some idiot has joined. How to block these guys? Can anyone help me? I need to block these guys. Can someone help me? Hide user on this channel. I don't know how these idiots are getting joined in our channels or our groups. How to ban this? Go to channel report. So if I click report, will it be helpful? Hide user. Let me see. Unwanted. Yeah. Report message. Sexual exploit. Yes, this is the correct thing. Mm, How come these guys get our link and join over here? I'm just posting our link only in my Telegram channel and WhatsApp status. Not even in any other social medias. Even I don't post in my FB also. I'm sorry for this uh, idiotic content which has been come across without my knowledge. I don't know how to avoid it. If any of you are having any idea how to block these stuffs permanently, please help me. Um, One of our members going suggesting me something. Go to the profile of the offending person by clicking his name whenever it appears on YouTube. This might be on a comment of your video or your channel. You can also run in search for click about list options under hit flag icon at the top. Select block user. One of our member has provided some suggestion. Let me see. How I can do it. Mm, No, leave such disturbances means, ma'am, these are some highly irritating contents. We need to give some respect for the female members over here. So they should not feel bad. That is the only thing I am trying to ensure from my end. That is the reason I am um, breaking my heads how to avoid this kind of irrelevant stuffs. One of our member has given me some suggestion, but I don't know how to follow it. Let me try. Let me take some time. He is saying my group is private. It is private only actually. Queries group. Let me see. Manage group. Group type is private. Mm, Nifty creates an impression as if he is going to move up, but I am not going to get fooled. My level is 17,200 to 215. Only if I get that level, I will go, or else I will not. He is supposed to come down. The twins are back into action. HDFC and HDFC Bank. At one stage, they both came into red and then climbed back again. The culprit for today is Axis Bank. That is the thing. But he has also taken some support around 740 odd levels and climbed 1% from there. Let's see. Uh, don't get excited about Axis Bank's this 1% move. I feel that he will come to 725, maybe if not today, before Wednesday next week. That's the place where we can initiate longs. Until then, it's not wise. move. This kind of setup forces us to go long. But the thing is whether it is wise or not. That's the query. What a surge in zinc, 1 rupee. Just a few minutes before I was seeing at 352 and thinking of whether we can go and buy or not. Within a minute it has moved to 1 rupee higher. Could have made 5,000 rupees very easily. But these are stuffs which will happen. Guys, forget about the incident. If you people have any queries, just keep posting. I'll try to answer. Um, Seems like all three metals have started firing on higher side. Copper levels. Let's see how to calculate. I will calculate and just give it to you. $786.5 is the entry for copper, but he surged away already. Will we get that level? That's the big question. Sharp move on copper as well as aluminium. Aluminium swiftly moved nearly 2 rupees. Copper move is ultra legendary. 730, 786. Anyways, copper positional long is already on. We couldn't run and catch now. Let's see. PNB not moved so far in market. Your suggestion buying. PNB, let us see through charts. PNB actually it is a very small thing. So we will go through daily charts. PNB actually has given a sell signal couple of days before as per super trend. So it is obvious that either he needs to consolidate or go down for next 1 week, which means minimum 5 days. So after the sell signal we have seen 4 days completed. So another 1 day, either there will be a fall or there will be a consolidation kind of stuff. 33 will be a good stop loss for PNB. It's a tight stop loss, just 2 points from 2.5 points from current price. And on the higher side you can look for 37, provided if it crosses 36 decisively. Decisively in the sense it needs to close above 36 at least in 1 hour time frame. If that happens, 37.5 to 38 is a real possibility in PNB within next month. Next, IDBA, IOB, IB. Bro, why are you picking stocks which are in smaller values? Can I get an answer from you? All the stocks which you are picking are of very less value stocks. Like for example, IDBA is somewhere around 50, PNB is 40, 35, IOB is at 17 or 18, I guess. I don't know why you are picking such small stocks. My suggestion would be, instead of trading in such small stocks, small value stocks, go for a bigger valued one, because the return will be bit faster than the smaller ones. Instead of buying PNB, IDBA, IOB, Indian Bank, etc., you can go for ICICI Bank or even Axis Bank or even State Bank of India. This will give you better returns than the smaller ones. These smaller ones, if the results are good, there will be a 1 day spike of 10%. That's all. From there on, it will not move for next 1 quarter. But the names which I have mentioned, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, these kind of stuff, there will be fall in this kind of stock also. But these fellows will regain their momentum very quickly and climb on the highest. Idea, my suggestion was to buy at 7 rupees. My suggestion was to buy at 7 rupees. Maximum quantity which I suggested was 500, even though if you are very big risk taker, and when it came to 13, I suggested book 50% and leave the remaining shares as it is free shares. Bro, please don't watch that kind of stocks. That is my kind and humble advice for you. Because one fine day, because of any news, these kind of stocks will spike 7, 8, 10%. You don't even know what is happening over there, but you will pitch in and buy it at time. Okay, and from there it will not move anywhere. over a period of time you will either get stuck and I mean will not exit, uh, will not even get any exit opportunity from there. So that's the reason I am suggesting stay away from such stocks. Anything below 100, whatever it may be. There are only very few quality stocks below 100. IEX is good. IEX is good for long term. You can invest at current levels, and if you are a long term investor, say for 5 years, you can just do it as SIP. Even one stock 1 month will be good. Hutco, I need to check. Just give me a minute. Uh, Hutco. Again, a small valued stock. Maybe 34 will be your good entry point with uh, 30 as stop loss. And on the higher side also you may get maximum only 40. Beyond 40 it will be a very tough task. Even that will take its own sweet time. Only some very good news could spike the stock. Copper can be bought if you get around 786.25 to 786.50. Actually, it is a buy call given yesterday and day before also around 782. It made a low of 781.65 yesterday and then surged like anything. Today it made a high of 783.5, which is almost 11 points from our entry. I'm not sure how many of you have taken, but if taken, you might have been in a good position. Jindal Steel. Actually speaking, steel companies are doing good than the other metal companies. Hindalco is bit stagnant, but the other stuffs are looking very good. Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, JSW Steel. Can we take a risk and chase this fellow? Something says me whether uh, it might not be good, but I feel like chasing might work today because we are holding on the higher side. Mm, that is 6. I think this fellow will open 380, 395. Voltas moving in the range of 1240 to 1320 levels, sir. I'm planning to do SIP mode only. I'm not aware whether you are discussing about SIP for Voltas or whether you are uh, saying it for IEX. But in anyways, whichever it may be, SIP is always good. UBL for a swing trade. You are asking a bit late, bro. UBL actually should have been taken a bit earlier, but never mind. Now, um, it's at 1593. It's not wise to enter now. If there is a drop towards 1555, maybe today or on Monday, don't go beyond Monday. Maybe today or on Monday, if you get a drop towards 15555, then you may take a trade with a tight stop of 1520, and you can expect a target of 1650. Okay, Sriram, thanks for clarifying. Okay. Any other queries, friends? If you have, you may feel free to ask. What if we had a close above 17,414 today? Remember, it will be a weekly close as well. If that happens, it will be stunning move from next week onwards. Three-hours chart, just showing you something which is very interesting. He has given a falling trend line breakout, and even if you connect these lines, these highs, then also he has given a breakout. I am sensing something big is going to happen in Nifty. Something big is going to happen. All the falling trend lines we are seeing breakout on the higher side. And to add on, VIX is also dropped below 19, which is very good for bulls. If it goes below 18, then there will be almost one-way kind of rally on the higher side. UPL, United Prosperous. UPL. I think he has also rallied already. Superb chart setup, bro. It's a 1, 2, 3 setup chart setup for me, and it is trying to give a breakout above 833.65. It has done it today, but now trading below it. Do one thing. If you are a buyer who can buy in tranches, like part by parts, then you can buy some quantity now, and then when it gives a breakout above 837, add more. So say for example, if you want to buy 10 quantities, buy 30% now, which is 3 numbers, and then when it gives a breakout above 837, just add the remaining 7 and keep holding with a stop loss of 794. I feel he will hit 900. Bro, results expected super in UPL. In that case, it will fall. because the stock has already moved earlier, results should not be very good. If that is happening, then there will be immediate profit booking because it is at significant resistance of 837. So that should not happen. Next, any view on Tata Chem? Tata Chem results today. I haven't noticed the results. Just let's see the charts. Couple of days before, he has given a sell signal based on the super trend. So now only if very good set of results he can climb higher, or else there is a big possibility that he will come and test this 100 moving average at 933.35, and then only he could try climbing higher. If the results are not good, I am saying about if results are in line with estimates. Okay, if results are good, he may move on the higher side, but if results are bad, he will easily test the 200 moving average of 904. So at this present juncture, it's not wise to take a long. Stay away, let the results come. If it is bad and the stock cracks to 200 simple moving average, then you can create a long over there. Right now, stay away. Very nice experience today. Too much of queries. It's very interesting for me to answer. The only disturbing factor is some unwanted fellow joined and posted some nonsense. Barring that, it's very interesting. This is what I expect. See, when we are sitting live for nearly 3 hours, we should spend the time effectively. HDFC Bank is up 1.5%, sorry, 1.25, and HDFC is also up 1.25. If these two are on the higher side, it's hard for the markets to fall. I would never mind even if chasing Nifty right now, but since I don't have a habit of chasing, I'm just keeping quiet, or else we could even chase Nifty right now. Nifty or Bank Nifty even. Nifty, Bank Nifty, even Financial Nifty. Because both the Bajaj Fin's results are out. ICICI result is out. Axis result is out. So Financial Nifty, out of the 20 components, most of the results are out. So we can easily see a good move. Yes, Shriram Transport Finance. I think results yesterday, right? I'm not sure because it has given a buy signal today. Since it has rallied much, I would say if a breakout trade can be done. If it breaks 1, 2, 3, 8, look at the high of the recent swing high. This is the recent swing high, 1238, and today it is just 5 paise below that, the high. So I would suggest you do one thing, place a breakout buy order at 1238.80. If it executes, ride the bus by having today's low as stop loss. He can easily do 1300 plus. The 200 moving average is coming around 1303 here, this maroon line. Okay, so if he is going to touch that level, obviously that level will be coming when there is a breakout. Both SRT Finance and SR Trans Finance is same, right? SRT Finance. Yes, both are correct. Same. Seram Transfin. Both the questions which Harish and Abhi are asking are the same. It's a breakout buy. At present, you should not buy because the high is not yet broken. The recent swing high is not yet broken. It's just 5 paise miss on that front. So it's not a wise idea now. Posted a level for aluminium. Posted here as well. If you people are willing, you may take position. Just give me a minute. I will post it for the free channel members as well. Finally, HDFC AMC is trying to make a move, trying to attempt, but for that it needs to cross yesterday's high. Only then it will be a convincing buy. People, if you have any questions, please feel free to post your queries so that I can respond. Generally speaking, I don't suggest people to take trades in a rush or hurry. That's the reason I am calculating some levels and then giving at a better price. Aluminum, you could have even bought it at 254, but if you buy there, then the risk reward is bit unfavorable. It has already moved 25 paise up, but still I don't want to go like that. I want to go as per my formulated values. That's it. Nice move by HDFC Twins, along with the saddest part is we haven't got opportunity in Bajaj Finance. If we would have got, it would have been a fantastic opportunity for us. Our short opportunity in Shriram Transport Finance for intraday. Bro, I hesitate to go short in markets, generally speaking. If you still want to go, then your stop loss is the breakout level, which I have already mentioned. My God. Even a bank nifty call, very bad that it has surged 5 points away from my entry price. Let's see. Shriram Transport Finance. Maybe 15 minutes. Go with Harish, the response is for you. Shriram Transport 15 minutes candle shows today's high could be a resistance and it could be tough to cross. So wait for another 1 minute. If the next 15 minutes candle, that is 11:15 to 11:30 candle, if that forms a flat top red candle, then you can go short with day high as stop loss. Purely for intraday, you need to exit as and when you are happy. Yes, of course, he is trying to come down. 1238 will be your stop loss for Shriram Transport short. Any other queries, friends? If we break 17414 today, I mean on spot Nifty, then it will be a higher high, higher low kind of setup on weekly time frame. I'm not speaking about daily time frame. On weekly time frame, last week and this week, that becomes a super duper setup for bulls. That's why I said in the morning in your opening note itself, and in the first few minutes of our video itself, if we are taking 17414, then the entire world will speak about 18,000 target for Nifty. There is one proverb kind of, it's not a proverb, it's a wording, words which generally market men say, buy in May and go away. That is the saying, which means you can buy in May and leave it for rest of the year. Rest of the year in the sense till December. Okay. Historically speaking, only on very rare occasions, if you buy in May and hold till December, you will make losses, or else you will definitely make profits. That is history. Not sure whether his history is going to repeat now or not, but I have given you a hint. Bloody hell. 36,500 call moves like a rocket. It has moved 40-45 points without giving me entry. I was very cunning to get an entry at 395. He turned from 402 and climbed to 445. I would not say cunning, I was very greedy actually. My God. Zinc, good move, moved nearly 2 rupees. But this red color candle confused us and avoided us to take from taking the position, right? Or else we would have been in Nifty. I mean zinc. Anyways, we will get our opportunities. Nothing wrong. We will get our opportunities. Any other questions, guys? Hindalco 14.5, HDFC Bank 1437, HDFC 2300, C at 55, Infi 1600 C at 40 rupees almost. The only one which is in negative is Tech Mahindra, and that causes lots of problems for us, for everyone. It will also boom. Just wait. Result expectation is also good for Tech Mahindra like persistent. That call will double or will go more than double. Right now he is resting before result. It will rally non-stop. Bro, I am completely aware that it will move. Okay, but the problem is with my members. Everybody are asking questions. When too much of people ask me the same question, it's human psychology. I am not a relaxation. Okay, it's human psychology that we doubt on our analysis system. That is what is happening there in the call. Even today morning when I saw one member asking what is the stop loss for Tech Mahindra, I said I am holding. If you are not willing, you can exit. That's it. That's how my response could be. I can't give a better response than that, because I am not a fraudulent advisor kind of stuff like others who gives just calls and not trades in any of those calls. I am a professional trader, come analyst, and a call provider. I trade in most of the calls which I give. There will be 99% people who will only ask about your trade which is in loss, but not about the profit trade. One should take all of the calls and then see P&L until. See, the most worst part of this business is people will speak only about the loss making calls. Nobody will speak about the profit making calls. That is the reality. Nobody provides 1% of you in free channel. I can bet it. I can bet it to anybody in this field. People will not provide even, forget about 1%, they will not even provide half a percent of mine. I can bet to anybody who is having Telegram channels. And moreover, I am giving the calls which I am taking, not blind calls. And the levels also. See, it's very easy for me to say to you people, buy Bank Nifty 36,500 call at 440. But I will buy only when it comes to 395. Okay, it's very easy to say like that, but I won't do that. Instead, I will just say wait for my level. If it comes, we will take trade, or else we will wait. Nothing wrong. That is the nature of me. I am not understanding what you are trying to say. Now many started Rigi link off for calls. I don't know what it is. Look at HDFC twins. See, HDFC twins I am saying since morning, not even since morning, since last 2 days. My target for HDFC is 1450, sorry, 1500, and sorry, HDFC Bank. And my target for HDFC is 2500 in May series. Dot. That's it. I will not even compromise even 0.05 paise on my targets. That's it. I am a crazy kind of trader who never compromises even 5 paise on my entry or on my target. If I am, if the way which I am analyzing is correct, my level should come for entry, and at the same time, if my analysis is correct, my target also should be met. That is the thing. My members are with me even during some failures. Mr. Balkrishna, actually yesterday we were speaking about it, today we missed. The morning it was at 55 60 odd levels, I guess. Yeah, 60, way below 60. I thought maybe if it comes to 50, I can take it, but it doesn't come. Anyways, we need not worry about it. There are always chances, and we are in a couple of good picks. Look at the levels, picks which we are holding. India Bulls Housing is a hero or zero trade. Techem, Infi, HDFC Twins, Hindalco, all are fantastic ones. And Tamo. Many Telegram free channel links give daily one call. Yes, daily one call they will give. And how best is the success ratio and how best is the entry? There is the trick. They will suggest people to catch a running horse. Okay, running horse in the sense they will they are supposed to catch a trade which is already running, but we never do that, right? With Regi link, open and take the trade, and you have to pay 100 to 500. Oh, these kind of stuffs people are doing, right? I'm not aware about it, bro. Technically, I am weak. The only technicals which I know is about markets. Apart from that, I don't know anything. So I don't know about this kind of things. Like if my guess is correct, you need to click on a link and that link will open, saying that if you want trade or call, pay me this sum of amount, and then if we pay that amount, then we will start getting our call. Probably my guess is that. I'm not sure whether I'm correct or not, but I don't want to fool people like that. God has given me an opportunity to earn, and I am sharing my knowledge to my members who trust me. I'm least bothered about people who don't trust me, and at any cost, I don't want to cheat anyone in my life. This is bizarre. Look at the move in Bank Nifty. 100 points almost. Sorry, 90 points. He missed my entry by 5 points, guys. Oops. In fact, 500 was my target. This is literally pathetic. 491 he came. Yes, I will send you link. Okay, send it. Let me see. I don't want to do that kind of thing, but let me see how it is. I think the commodities are going to blast today, especially nickel and aluminum. So sad. I missed in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty call. Just give me a minute. I'm receiving a call. Hello. சொல்லுங்க. இல்லை சார் வேண்டாம் சார் வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம். Somebody from Harpay is calling for new connection. Uh, Once again a call. Hello. Yes. சொல்லுங்க. சார் இப்போ மார்க்கெட் ஹவர்ஸில் இப்போ எதுவும் பேச முடியாது சார். அப்புறமா என்னப்பா? Any questions we have? Good morning, Batman. Can you please tell about Shanti Gear? I have 100 pieces in cash at 208. Should I hold all, exit, and also give your view on Apollo Tires PE struck from 11? Apollo Tires 2 3 days back itself. I think you have asked me. I don't know whether you or not. I have said that my target for Apollo Tires is 222 on long side. So Apollo Tires, it's already done. And Shanti Gear, let me check through charts. Shanti Gear has given a breakout today. Let's check weekly chart. It's at all-time highs, I guess. All-time high or somewhere. Yes, of course. Shanti Gear, it seems it's at all-time high and given a breakout. So you may hold it further. Do one thing, maintain a stop loss of this week low 188 as maybe 185. Maintain a stop loss and look for further 10% upside from here, from today's level. From today's close, you can expect a 10% upside in maybe 1 to 2 months time. That is the maximum period. Before that also you will easily be able to get it. Shanti Gear. L&T results are on 12th May. Yes, but we need not break heads now, bro. When it is on 12th May, maybe 1 or 2 days before, if we see, we may be able to catch something at good price. Any advice for finding stocks for swing trades? Those are part of my training sessions, bro. Will not be able to give those tricks over here. I can give suggestions if people are asking opinion on any call, but I can't reveal the training methodology itself here. That's a bit difficult because those are part of paid sessions. Nasty move in crude, but unfortunately we haven't got our levels. Our levels missed just by 20 points, I guess. It missed by 20 points. I don't know how many of you are remembering. This was our suggestion. 7,700 call of crude, but we were supposed to take it it when crude spot came comes to 7440, but on that particular day it bounced from 7456 or 58. I'm not remembering the exact number. In 20 points he missed. If he would have come to our level, definitely this position we would have got it around 295 300. Actually, this was the day. 26th. This was the day. Look at the low, 305.8, and crude oil was, it made a low of 74. Yeah, I told now 7458. 7440 was our entry. If when it shows 7444, sorry 7440, we were supposed to take 7700 call. What a horrible miss, isn't it? Would have been a classy bet if we would have got it. Your views on power grid. Power grid we will see through charts. Let's not waste time. Power grid in a C. Very nice looking charts. 232. Maybe on drop towards 229 will be a good buy with a tight stop of 224, just 5 point stop loss. And on the higher side, you may look for 239, which means 1 is to 2 risk reward. 5 points is your stop loss and 10 points is your target. 229, 239, 224 are the levels. Nasty move. Now the king is back. Above 1400 on Hdfc Bank. I'm saying about spot values. Now go and see what is our option prices. 62 for 2300 call. Hdfc Bank 1400 is at almost at 40, 39.80. Hindalco is lagging a bit. Don't underestimate him. He will fire like anything once he gets its momentum back. Remember already the metal counters, Tata Steel, JSW Steel has already fired. So there are chances he may also fire in coming days. Just keep holding it tightly. The call was given yesterday to my members. If you people, some of you who were belonging to our premium group, they might have taken it. I can't give all the calls here, like I said earlier. The most funny part is I am holding Tata Motors 500 call, 2 lots, without even me being aware that I have bought 2 lots. Actually, my thing was to buy 1 lot. I don't know how I made a mistake and just now noticed my positions. It is showing me 2 lots. Just a query. Please don't take it serious if I am wrong. Why not live trade along with live session? I can give live trades. I am giving live trades, but I can't teach you the trick how I picked live trades. That is the thing. Okay. Yeah, a teacher can't teach everything which is known to him, right? That's I need to have something for me as personal things. That is the reason. Nothing beyond that. There is nothing to take it as wrong. I have told you that those are part of my paid sessions. That's it. I am giving you live trades. Today morning I have given aluminium and then copper, and those are trades which we are picking it for, I mean, swing basis. Just news came from Tamo side. They will manufacture batteries self too. Will reveal soon. I have no idea about it, bro. Whether they manufacture batteries or not, I'm not worried about it. But my concern is charts look good, so I am going long. That's it. Look at the way charts are. It is having a good consolidation. Post this uh, buy signal from super trend. Okay, it has given a buy signal over here. So let me show you one interesting fact over here. See here, super trend has given you buy signal over here. Okay, so the high on that particular day is 461.90. I'm speaking about Tata Motors spot. Okay, so now somebody who is trying to take a swing trade. What will this fellow will do as basic logics? It has given a buy signal, so he will buy it on that particular day or on the next day morning. So forget about on this particular day. Next day morning, if he buys, the open price is 455.9. So maybe 455 if he buys. Until now, it has been nearly 15 days. It has not even crossed 455. Only this one day it has gone and crossed 455. All the remaining days it is on the downside. So just I am trying to showcase you that they don't trust all the indicators which are available in your trading platform. Few indicators are lagging indicators where you cannot rely them and take position immediately. Okay, few indicators you are supposed to wait for a retracement and then take a position. In this scenario, let me teach you a trick. It may or may not run from here. It could have run from here itself on the northern side, but it has not done so. A best entry for this kind of position is this kind of situation is when there is a retracement towards that super trend line. Look over here. What is the super trend over here? 424. If it when it comes towards 424, if somebody would have bought, then he would have made money. This is how you need to uh, I mean change your approach towards the technical indicators which are available in your trading platform. You need to find a solution how it can be turned as beneficial for you. You need to do it. Give me a minute. I will try to. Oh, I thought actually I can give some update for my members for exiting HDFC and HDFC Bank calls. But now my target is big, so I don't want to do any rubbish now. Asking them to exit little bit early. 524 is the high of Bank Nifty. Um, we have crossed 12, almost nearly 12:10 now. Um, if people have any queries, just keep posting. We will wind off in next 2 or 3 minutes if there is no queries. What happened? Coal India. One of my good friend is giving a put option now. Is it good to trade result based stocks for intraday? I don't know how to answer you because there are things like the timing of the result is more important. First thing, whether it comes out with results in between the market hours or post market hours. So if it is in between market hours, then you need to check for a smaller time frame like 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame, and then you can take a trade accordingly. But still, results will create a negative impact also against the charts sometimes. So if you want to go result with exclusively result based trades, then you can trade based, trade on both directions, like hedging your positions with buying a futures and then taking a put option kind of stuff, or shorting and then buying a call option kind of stuff. That kind of trade can be done. Generally speaking, I avoid taking them for intraday. I usually take them for swing basis, 1 day ahead of results. Say for example, tomorrow, today Maruti results are coming. So I have suggested a call option yesterday for Maruti. We have suggested a call option, 8,100 call option at 200 for Maruti. Yesterday it came till 196 and raised till 270. So it has given us opportunity and it has given us exit opportunity as well. So if I want to play till the result move, what I would have done is, when it came above 260, 265, I would have hedged it with the put of 7,800. So on this case, whatever the move happens, I will be benefited. I think I have answered your query. If no queries barring this, we will wind up the session. We are already late by 15 minutes today, but never mind. It was a interesting session today, where most of you participated in asking questions, and it was interesting for me to do research and answer. You are most welcome, Harish. Okay, we will end today's session. And before even ending today's session, I'll just give an update. Tomorrow and day after I am out of session. So this week forecast for Nifty and Bank Nifty will reach you only on Sunday. Maybe by Sunday evening 3 o'clock, after I reach home, I will try to post it. If possible, today evening we'll try to have a live. You can expect me lot of questions on Monday and Friday, sir. I will keep asking questions on stocks for learning. See, I can explain and give answers as much as possible from my end. All these days it was very boring for me that I was out of the 3 hours session, maybe for 1.5 hours to 2 hours I will be sitting idle without even answering anything. The purpose of coming live is to answer during market hours about the queries of the members, to help them understand that they are doing a good business. That was my intention. Let's see. So, as I said earlier, tomorrow and day after I am out of station, and I will be reaching Chennai maybe after 4 p.m. after 3 p.m. on Sunday. By Sunday evening, I will try to post the forecast of Nifty and Bank Nifty for next week. Since I don't carry my laptop during traveling, I am updating you upfront. If possible, today evening, we will try to have a session of half an hour by 8 o'clock. That too on a condition, if I packed my things for tomorrow's journey on time. Okay. Have a good day, friends. See you all. Bye. If we are not able to meet today evening, then we will catch up on Monday morning. Bye for now. See you all.